welcome back to our channel. Today we have an intermediate tap combo for all ages. So grab those tap shoes and let's go. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with our toes going 1, 2, 3, 4. Go toe, heel, heel, heel. All right, let's do that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from there, we're going to go scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel. Step on that toe, and you're going to slide up to it. Okay, let's do that one more time. Go scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel, drag. From there, you're going to go flow back, step, heel, heel, go heel, heel, step, step. All right, let's do that again. All together, nice and slow. Go scuff, heel, spank, heel, scuff, heel, toe, flow back, step, heel, 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 toe, toe. Okay, one more time. Let's try that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let's add that to the beginning part, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's do that one more time, same speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let's try that faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, moving on, you're going to do a turning toe stand. So you'll jump up onto your toes and turn, going up, jump out, put that toe down, shuffle, heel, step. Good, let's try that again with counts. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, and up. You're going to put that heel down. 5, snap, and up. Good, let's try that all again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and up. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. All right, with counts, jumping up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and up. 5, landing with our feet together. 1 and a 2. We're going to do a wing. 3, slap your legs. 4. We're going to go up onto our toes. 5 and 6. Now we're going to go onto our heels and do a pickup. And 7 and 8. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3, 4. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. From there, we're going to do paradiddles. So you're going to start with your right foot. Big swing, toe, heel, big swing, toe, heel. Then you're going to do a shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, big swing, toe. Then you'll repeat it on the other side, starting with that paradiddle. Big swing, toe, heel, big swing, toe, heel, shuffle, toe, heel, big swing, toe. All right, let's try that again, starting with that paradiddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 feet and up, 2 feet and up, 3 feet and up, 4 feet and 5 feet and up, 6 feet and up, 7 feet and up, 8 feet. Good. All right, from there you're going to do a scuffle, toe, heel, and then a shuffle, dig. So you go scuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, dig. Good. Let's put that together with our paradiddles. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 feet and up, 2 feet and up, 3 feet and up, 4 feet and 5 feet and up, 6 feet and up, 7 feet and up, 8 feet. Shuffle, toe, heel, shuffle, dig. Good. All right, let's try that one more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very beginning, nice and slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, up and up. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and a 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, up, 4 and 5 and 6. Shuffles on alternating feet. Start with your right foot. Go shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch. From there, we're going to do toe, heel, stick, toe, step, step. And one more time. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch. Toe, heel, stick, toe, ball, change. Okay, from there, we are going to do our heel, toe, shuffle, ball, change, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. Again, one more time. You just did your ball change. Go heel, toe, shuffle, ball, change, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, now let's piece those parts together nice and slow from your shuffles. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch. Toe, heel, stick, toe, ball, change, heel, toe, shuffle, ball, change, heel, toe, toe. Okay, we're going to finish off this combo. We're going to do a shop, pull, crossing in front, tug, shuffle, crossing, tug. Then we're going to do a behind shuffle, shuffle, tug, and one more to the side, shuffle, tug. Okay, let's do that again, nice and slow. From your shuffles, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch, shuffle, switch. Toe, heel, stick, toe, ball, change, heel, toe, shuffle, ball, change, heel, toe, heel, toe, shuffle, shuffle. All right, this time we're going to do it a little 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, one more time, just like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 11 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, this is what it's going to look like from the back. We'll take it from the beginning, nice and slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. enjoyed that tap combo today.
If you did, make sure you subscribe to our page to keep up with our fresh new content posted every week.